K-Beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with the update on this hair. It's been about 4 days. So I've been wearing this hair for 4 days today. And as you can see, if you did see my initial install, I've still been cutting off length, you guys. Like, I've still been cutting off length. This hair, I'm going to get into the things that I usually get into. The maintenance, how it's holding up, shedding, tangles, how it holds up to being manipulated. So this is the Kima Braid Harlem 125 Brazilian twist. This was in 20 inches, and as you can see, my initial install, okay, so to switch up the look, I just decided to do a middle part. You can switch this up very easily. During my initial install, I did the invisible parting space on 4 braids, so I do have the option to kind of do a deep side part, middle side part, over to the left, over to the right. I just decided to do a little bit over to this side today. I think it's an easy way to switch up the look. But in regards to shedding, I haven't experienced a lot of shedding with crochet braids. Honestly, the shedding goes back to how many times you knot the hair. So with just me running my fingers through it just now, this is the hair that I got out. So that's not too bad, but I think that really depends on you. So that really is not a part of the hair. The texture, the original texture, I do feel like after I did my nightly routine and a little bit of water and conditioner, which is what I use to kind of bring the curls back, I think it held up pretty good. I don't think it's like its original texture, but I think the texture is still like, it's still a pretty texture, and you could definitely still tell it's Brazilian twist hair, which is very important to me. When I buy hair, I expect it to hold up to the manipulation of daily care, okay? So I think that it does really good with that. So what did I do? Tangles. Now, as far as the tangles, like, I think the tangles are really to be expected with curly hair. Like, even with my natural curly hair, I mean, you're going to get some tangles. I don't feel like it's anything that's like over the top tangles. I think it is very easy to deal with, easy to fix the tangles, okay? I think that's the word I'm looking for. It's very easy to correct and maintain even with the tangles. That's what I'm looking for. It doesn't mess up the style, which I think is very important as well. Let's see what else. Oh, lightweight. Even though this hair is super big, and it was super big when I originally did it, this hair is so light. It reminds me of the what was that hair that I did? Was it the Free Tress Brazilian Wavy? I can't remember, but I'll actually include the video in an iCard above. But that hair was very light, and it was big, and this is how this one is. It's really light, but it's really big. It has a lot of volume in this hair. So yeah, what else? I'm trying to give you guys all the specs. Oh, during my initial install, this hair was very easy to manipulate. Kima Braid is actually one of my top crochet braiding hair brands. I love their hair. I feel like their hair is very realistic. It's not shiny. It's not plasticky. The hair just feels like really nice, and I really like that. I think it's really easy to work with. I did not have to manipulate this hair at all during my initial install, other than when I just tamed it. Okay, so what I mean by manipulate, I'm talking about like when you would originally do your hair and you have to pull the hair apart, and then the curls are super duper frizzy and it just messes up the entire curl form or curl pattern. This did not do that, which I really like. And I don't remember any of Harlem 125's hair. This video is not sponsored, by the way. I'm not being paid to do this. Even if I was, I'm still going to be real and keep it honest with you guys. Come on, tell them. So, but this hair did not do that. All of the brands that I've tried, or the curl patterns that I tried of Harlem 125, and I think it's, let's see, 1, 2, 3, I think it's 4 now. None of them have messed up during my initial install. I was able to pull the hair apart and everything. I will say that out of all the ones that I've tried the Harlem 125 Ocean Wave, I tried the Deep Twist, I've tried the something wavy, and this is my fourth one. This is kind of like my least favorite one in regards to how it held up. I don't know, I just feel like this is only day 4, and I honestly feel like it could have held up better, but it held up great, if that makes sense.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It could have held up better if I'm comparing it to the other Harlem 125 hair that I've tried, but it held up great compared to the array of crochet braiding companies that I've tried. I hope that makes sense. I would definitely recommend this hair. I think it's super cute. I think it's a natural look. This will be great in like a short style right here. I was thinking about revisiting the hair, just doing it shorter, and I might do that maybe in the summertime or the springtime, because you know, a lot of people don't want hair down their back during the spring and summer months. So I think this hair will be super duper pretty at like this length right here, or maybe even shorter. I don't know, I guess it just depends on your face. But so if you guys are interested, I will leave the link in the description box. It was a very good deal. I think I got 4 packs for under $30, I think. I'm not for sure, but it was very inexpensive. You know, just get your crochet hook and your mesh cap. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I have nothing but good things to say about this hair. And yeah, I would definitely recommend it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. Be on the lookout for my top 3 or 4 crochet braids of 2019. Now I know it's in 2020, I know. But since I'm wearing this hair, it made me remember that I never got a chance or never remembered to do the top 3 crochet braids that I tried last year. So I will still bring that to you guys. I thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.